When we small business owners have uncertainty about our businesses, it creates fear and overwhelm. With fear and overwhelm comes a loss of control. We have no clarity about the future. We fight fires every single day, and we use gut feel to make business decisions. We stay up nights worrying about whether or not we're going to make payroll. We stay up nights worrying about whether or not we're going to get new business, and if we get new business, are we going to do it profitably? We stay up nights worrying about whether or not we can pay our personal bills and what we're going to tell our spouses when we can't. We stay up nights worrying about what could possibly go wrong next, and we fear the embarrassment, emotional, and economic loss associated with total and complete failure. On the other hand, when you have control over your business, you have clarity about the future. You know what tomorrow will bring, and if tomorrow takes a different turn, you know how to handle it. You have the right tools and the right information to make the right business decisions. And you have all the contingencies covered. And as a result, you're able to enjoy more profit and income, pay all of your bills, have no more challenging discussions with your spouse about getting another job, and at the same time, increase the value of your business. In short, you have a business that works. My name is Michael Barbarita from Next Step CFO, and at Next Step CFO, we are a contracted Chief Financial Officer services firm. And we are providing services and producing information products that give clarity and control to small business owners, helping them make the right business decisions that lead to multiple six figures in profit and income and seven figures in business value. With over 30 years of experience in actually owning retail, manufacturing, and service companies, I truly understand the risks and opportunities of business ownership. And over the last 10 years, I've been providing clarity to small business owners through business and cash flow forecasting, key performance indicators or metrics, and business ownership experience. In this short video, and the free short videos that I put together for you available for download, I'm going to show you how to gain more clarity and control over your business, as well as helping you make better business decisions. I basically answer frequently asked questions by business owners, as well as questions that business owners should ask. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get those other free videos. So sit back and enjoy. In this video, I'm going to give you an accounts receivable collection strategy that has worked very well for me. And in general, there's no real rule of thumb to determine when a customer is slow paying. It's different for every business. It's different for every business owner. But the business owner needs to determine in a policy how many days past due is considered to be a slow paying customer. Establishing a system of collecting accounts receivable so that your receivable strategy is consistent and timely is critical to successful collections. Here is an example of a strategy that, if applied consistently and timely, will lead to successful accounts receivable collections. Assume an invoice with terms of net 30 days. Well, between the 35th and 40th day, you contact the customer. If the customer is a customer you know pays within 30 to 40 days based on a history that you have with that customer, then do not contact that customer until the 40th to 50th day. If the customer does not return your call or you are not satisfied with the customer's answer, then send a 10-day demand letter requiring payment within 10 days or the account will be put in collection. Now here is an example of that 10-day demand letter, and you have to put it together exactly the way it's written here. And by the way, it is very important to send these demand letters certified mail, return receipt requested. That's very important. One of the reasons for that is that certified mail gets paid attention to. So it's very important that you format the letter exactly the way you see here, and that you send it certified mail, return receipt requested. Now let's review the components of this letter. This is your company name and the date, then the words 10-day demand in boldface, attention the creditor, this is the creditor's company,
This should be the business owner or a very influential person in the business. And then the invoices that are due and the amounts. And then, very important, include an amount for interest. You can decide whether or not you really want to collect it. Some people pay it voluntarily. And all of your invoices should have an interest rate associated with anything that's past due. That's very important. Most of my invoices say 1.5% per month, and that's the interest rate that you would see here. Then you put these words that this will be turned over to our collection attorneys if payments are not received by that date, which is approximately 10 days past this date. Sometimes if there's a little bit more of a variance than 10 days, it's because there are 2 weekends that pass through, and I usually add another day or two. We do accept credit cards if you do accept credit cards, and by the way, you should accept credit cards because it's a collection tool. Make sure you calculate the interest, as I said earlier. Sometimes they do pay it, and you can decide whether or not it's important that you collect it. If not paid within the 11th to 15th day, then put the account in collection. I always use a collection agency that has a legal staff. So if the account is not collected using traditional collection methods, legal action can be taken right away with the same staff that did the original collection and is familiar with the case. I only do business with collection agencies that take no more than 1/3 fee and have a legal staff. Once again, the key to the collection process is consistency and timeliness.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, I have 19 other short, free videos just like it available for download. All you need to do is go to www.nextstepcfo.net, click on the link that says free videos, and we'll download those to you immediately. I look forward to helping you.